SMT Nation, we got a quick little announcement for you here today. T-Mobile says it is coming with a new Uncarrier Next announcement. And we do have a little bit of advertising or marketing, branding that we have with this. All right, so this quote-unquote Uncarrier move is dated for May 4th. So go ahead and put that on your calendar. T-Mobile's got I believe, like a 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time for the webcast. You can head over to tmobile.com/Uncarrier. You could check it out. Here's the branding here pictured on the screen. And you will see it's kind of got the home internet Arcadian gateway look to it. And it's actually in like the background of the photo. So we know the date. We assume it's going to be home internet related. I'm guessing it's going to be some targeting, advertising, marketing, just full-on assault to just attack cable. And things are working out nicely for their service, and people are taking to it. It's growing, and this is just going to kind of take it over the top. Along with this, announcement, I think they're probably going to talk about potentially, what the abilities of the gateway are, talk about like Wi-Fi 6 and some of these other things that came on with the branding of the announcement. Who knows? Maybe they've got some improved firmware coming. It'll perform better. Maybe they're going to open it up to more places. We'll get like, expansion of the service offering reach. That would be pretty cool. And I don't know. Maybe it's just a dark horse. This would be kind of nice if they actually priced it similarly to like how Verizon is doing, where customers can get it a little bit cheaper if they also have the wireless service with T-Mobile. I don't know. In my perception, I'd say that's the least likely scenario. I don't think they're going to do that. It looks like they want to kind of sell it and make money on it, but who knows? We'll hold out for that. Maybe there's some hope to it, but we'll see. But I definitely see that it's going to be home internet related, and you could see it pictured in the gateway, kind of like in the silhouette or the background. So what do you guys think? What do you think it's going to be? Anything with pricing, just the gateway? I don't know. The reach? What do you think it's going to be? Something totally different? Sound off in the comment section below. You are the voice of the people, the SMT Nation. Let your voice be heard. Thank you for taking this opportunity to watch the SMT YouTube channel. If you appreciated this video, give it a like and a share to all your favorite social media platforms. Thank you in advance for that. Also, check out some of the links in the description box. We have the SMT Patreon page. We also have the Twitter handle @SneedTech. And do check out the audio-only podcast available on all the major podcast platforms. And if you are new, have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and activate the bell notification icon so you never miss an upload from the SMT. We'll catch you on the next video. Peace.